Wise individuals excel at employing strategies, which often makes them appear more intelligent than others, even though they may not actually possess greater intelligence. So, how do they achieve this? In this video, we'll delve into the various tactics and behaviors that shrewd individuals quietly utilize to gain an advantage in society. These actions, though subtle, allow them to navigate challenges and opportunities effectively. Let's get started and uncover the methods that give them an edge. 1. Wise individuals focus on solving problems instead of wasting time and energy on complaints. They carefully analyze the issue at hand, think through potential solutions, and then take decisive action to address it. Every attempt they make, whether successful or not, adds to their reservoir of experience, gradually making it easier for them to handle similar challenges in the future. This proactive approach not only helps them overcome immediate obstacles but also prepares them for tackling more complex problems down the road. 2. Intelligent individuals learn from the mistakes of others. They analyze these errors without rushing to correct or judge the people who made them. Constantly correcting others can create tension and may even push people away. Instead, they quietly observe, paying attention to details and drawing lessons from what they see. By learning from these mistakes, they avoid wasting time on arguments and focus on their own growth and improvement. This approach helps them refine their strategies and avoid similar pitfalls. 3. Wise individuals understand the importance of acting promptly rather than waiting for ideal conditions. They don't buy into the notion of a perfect time or moment. While there are situations where waiting is beneficial, more often than not, it is crucial to begin implementing their plans without delay. Regardless of how brilliant an idea or plan might be, failing to take action leads to stagnation and mediocrity. Smart people avoid wasting time in anticipation of the perfect opportunity. Instead, they work with what they have, adapt to challenges, and accumulate experience and wisdom even when faced with difficulties. 4. Wise individuals recognize bad influences and distance themselves from them, adhering to the Stoic principle of cultivating virtues and avoiding vices. Confronting someone with a negative attitude often backfires and escalates tension. For instance, if you're in an environment with a person who lacks emotional control, causes trouble, and disrupts others' peace, confronting them could provoke them further and disturb your own tranquility. Such individuals often thrive on creating chaos and discomfort. A single wrong word in a confrontation can lead to significant conflict. Therefore, when you identify someone as a bad influence, it's best to quietly distance yourself. Focus on your tasks and goals without exposing yourself to their negativity or engaging with them. This approach helps maintain your peace and productivity. 5. Wise individuals pay close attention to gaze and nonverbal communication. The way people look at you can reveal a great deal about their true feelings and intentions. The ability to observe microexpressions and body language aligns with the Stoic practice of noticing subtle details. Often, a person's gaze can communicate more than their words. For example, if someone shares significant news but their eyes convey sadness, it indicates the news might not be as positive as it seems. Similarly, if someone appears unhappy while expressing satisfaction with your achievements, it suggests they may not genuinely support you. In essence, looks can uncover hidden truths because the eyes are often more honest than words. 6. Intelligent individuals collect valuable information and handle it with care, adhering to Stoic principles of self-discipline and moderation. Recognizing information as a precious asset, they avoid disclosing it too freely. For instance, if you're a businessperson who receives beneficial information from a source within a company, sharing this with other entrepreneurs could lead to them using it to your disadvantage or for their own gain. In many situations, revealing the source of your information is a mistake, as information is a mental treasure. In our information age, knowledge is akin to gold. It helps determine whom to trust, informs your decisions, and guides you in avoiding pitfalls. Therefore, wise individuals gather information discreetly and refrain from publicly displaying the full extent of their knowledge. 7. Wise individuals analyze their thoughts, distinguishing between the constructive and the destructive. Following the Stoic approach to mastering their reactions, they examine their thoughts and feelings to assess their value. We encounter thousands of thoughts daily, influenced by various situations. For example, a stressful day can leave you with lingering thoughts of anger and disappointment at bedtime. Therefore, it's crucial to clear your mind in a quiet space each day. Reflect on which thoughts are constructive and which are destructive. If you find yourself thinking of harming someone, immediately discard that thought and seek a better solution or a way to prevent that person from affecting you. If your mind is preoccupied with recent negative events, strive to find a resolution or something that brings you satisfaction or happiness. This daily practice helps maintain mental clarity and emotional balance. 8. Wise individuals observe people's intentions, quietly discerning hidden motivations and underlying desires, in line with the Stoic principle of distinguishing between what is within and beyond our control. For instance, consider a person who has always remained distant and indifferent towards you suddenly exhibiting a friendly and enthusiastic attitude after you secure a coveted job at a sought-after company. Why this sudden change? It's likely because they also desire a position at that company and are now attempting to establish a connection with you, hoping you can assist them in this pursuit. It's important to be vigilant and recognize these sudden approaches for what they are. As we conclude our discussion, dear friends, if you found value in our video, please hit the like button and explore our entire playlist on Stoicism. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Until next time, may you continue on the path of wisdom and personal growth.